Someone just copied my entire book and published it as their own.
Yeah, nobody wants that to happen, which is why copywriting your book is super important.
But what is a copyright?
And how do you copyright your book in India? Let's find out. As the name suggests, copyrights basically means only you have the right to copy or replicate your work, which means that as the creator of a piece of work, you have complete control over all commercial aspects of your book, including sales, licensing, and adaptation. This means that no one else can profit from your work. You also have complete creative control over your work, which means that you can choose to modify, adapt, or extend your work in any way you choose. In traditional publishing, the publisher holds the copyright because they are responsible for producing and selling copies of your book. In self-publishing, however, you retain the copyright. Copyright prevents bookstores, publishers, or any other entity from producing and selling copies of your book. When someone purchases your book, they're not only purchasing a physical copy of your book, but they're also purchasing an intellectual property, the plot, the characters, and the world that you have built. So your work cannot be plagiarized by another writer. If someone copies your work and you want to take legal action, then you must have a registered copyright under the Indian copyright law to claim civil damages in court. How do you copyright your book in India? If you want to protect your work, you can file for a copyright application with the Indian Copyright Office. Or if you're working with a self-publishing company, they might assist you with this process to make it hassle-free. What about the copyright section in your book? Adding a copyright page informs readers that your book is copyrighted. This discourages anyone from trying to misuse or copy your content. A standard copyright section usually has your name or pen name, ISBN, a rights reserved statement, a disclaimer, and year of publication. That's it for this video. Remember that no one should be allowed to steal your work, and it's extremely important to know how to copyright your book. See you in another video. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!